guys, it's Tootie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do sweater nails today. I'm going to be using some nude gel polish to do this look. I'm going to be using these striper brushes. Well, I'm not going to be using both of them. I'm going to be using one. I'm going to be using the long one. But you can use any striper brush you want. These ones are from Ugly Duckling if you are wanting to purchase these. If you look at my brush, mine's a little messed up, but I still work with it. It's still good enough. So what I'm going to start with today is whenever you do sweater nails, you still have to paint the nails the same way. So I'm going to be painting 2 coats of gel polish on both of these sweater nails. Not sweater nails, but these nail tips. I'm going to show you guys 2 different ways you can do sweater nails. One with glitter, one without. And then you guys will see how easy it is, but it's really simple. So whatever service you're doing, you're going to be putting your 2 coats of gel polish, and then you're going to make sure you cure each one between each layer. So if this one here, I had got some lint on the nail, so I was trying to get it off, but I'm just going through and painting my 2 coats. This is going to be my second coat here. After we do the 2 coats, we're going to go ahead and go in with a matte top coat, and just like you would any nail, you do your color and then your top coat. So I'm going to be using the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. This is my favorite matte top coat. If you want these, you can buy them on I think Ugly Duckling's website. I bought them at some beauty supply stores. Just have to see what supply store carries this brand, but it's a really good brand. This matte is amazing. It lasts forever. It's not one of those mattes that dull out and gets greasy looking or shiny looking by 2 weeks. It stays matte forever. So before you go ahead and start doing your sweater design, we're going to go ahead and take some of the gel color, whatever color you're choosing to use today. I'm using nude. You're just going to take that. I use a form, just put it on there, and then I'm wiping off the residue from the matte top coat off the nail. I'm just using a piece of a paper towel. You can use lint-free wipes if you have those. You can use acetone or alcohol, whatever you have, whatever works. One of those things will do. And now I'm just going to take my striper brush. Now, I told you guys before, my striper brush is kind of messed up. It should not be bent up like this, but I packed it wrong. I was traveling and I packed it wrong and I messed my brush up. But like I said, I still work with it and it still works for me. So all I'm doing is making a straight line with the gel color that we use for the nail. So we're doing the same color. So just going to make 2 straight lines down the nail, one on each side. These nails are really easy to do. If you're not good with like making a straight line, or your hand's kind of shaky, just take it slow. You can see that I'm taking a little bit at a time. If this brush was actually more straight and not messed up like it is, I could just go straight down and drag the brush and drag the polish down. But because my brush is messed up, I am taking it little by little, and so you can do that as well. You can either use a long brush like this or the short one that I showed you. Now we are going to be doing the middle part. So there's lots of different designs that you can do, but I'm going to show you guys the easiest one. So basically it's just like a line down, line across, line down, line across. Same pattern all the way down the nail. Really easy, really simple. Here I'm going to just be using the tip of the art brush. I'm not going to use a full brush. So when you're doing this, make sure you're just using the tip. You can make this part bigger. Say you have a really big nail, obviously you can make it bigger. I just went with this size, so you can make your lines in this part bigger if you wanted it to fit more in the center. That's up to you, whatever your preferences are. But I'm just going this way. I'm going all the way down the nail. It's just the same thing over and over. Once you finish up this part, You can choose to do the same design on the sides of the other side of the line, or you can do little just straight lines, which is extremely easy and extremely simple and looks super cute. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to finish this off by adding one line up top to make it look complete, and then I'm going to be taking my brush and just like doing a slanted line on the side. Just do those all the way down until you're done. You do that on both sides. Very easy. I learned how to do nail art because I just break down each piece. Instead of looking at the art as a whole, you break it down into shapes or sections or whatever, and it makes the art easier to do. So now that we're done with this part, we're going to take clear acrylic powder and we're just going to cover the line. So cover the full nail with clear acrylic powder. You can use any type of acrylic powder that you have. No brand, it doesn't really matter. I'm just using some clear acrylic powder. Sorry I blocked you, but I'm just dumping it all over, just like that. And I'm just going to shake it off. I'm not going to do anything because it's still wet underneath there. And we're going to cure this in our UV lamp or LED lamp, whatever you have, for 60 seconds. LED, probably 2 minutes. UV. Then when it's all done, you're just going to take your little dust brush or whatever and dust it off. And look at that. Done. You have a sweater nail. Super, super cute. I love this in white, but I didn't want to do it in white because I want you guys to see it because my background is like white. So this one, while that one was curing, I went ahead and did this one. So same thing for the glitter. I'm actually just using a glitter powder. This is a brand I'm using. If you're interested, you can look it up and find it. I bought it at a local supply store. I have not seen it online, but look how shimmery this is. Oh, I love this stuff. It's amazing. Super pretty. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing, dumping that over. And then I'm going to shake it off, pat it off, get any extra, cure that in my LED for 60 seconds. When that is done, I'm going to do the same thing and dust it off with my dust brush. And oh my gosh, guys, I don't know which one I like the best. I love them both. I really do like the glitter one though, because it just has a little something extra, but the one without glitter is just so simple and just like classy and cute. I don't know. Tell me which one you guys like the best in the comments. All right, you guys, that's it. That's how easy these nails are to do. They're perfect for winter nail art. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, like it, comment, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.